What's going on? It's that boy Xavier. I'm back with another video. You know what I'm saying, boy. Today, how we doing, bro? I'm about to get up on that monkey app. Yo, mess around with people and stuff, you know, a little bit. You know what I'm saying? Shall we, you know, see what kind of people we get up on there, you know, some weirdos, some, you know, hey, I don't know what to expect, but we gonna hop on real quick. Gonna mess around a little bit, you know what I'm saying? See how the video goes. I hope y'all like, comment, and subscribe, boy. The fuck was going on there? On my kids, What's up? What the fuck? Fuck are you, bum ass motherfucker?
Hey, yo, add time, nigga. Fuck you talking about.
Shit. Hey, let me ask you a question, bruh. Hey, would you suck dick to save your mom's life?
What the fuck kind of question is that?
Shit, answer the motherfucking question. That's what kind of question.
No, nigga, do I look gay to you?
Shit, you sound gay. Shit, who knows?
Bitch ass.
Damn! That boy didn't even want to go there, bro.
Now, there is a trade-off. The separation of the brains makes you more vulnerable to knives and gunfire. No, we wouldn't want to lay things too easy.
Leak.
How will it hold up against dogs? You talking Rottweilers or Chihuahuas? Should you find the case?
I found one in Arizona. A very nice man said he could have it up and running in a week and he takes cash. What about the flight?
Come on, bro. Oh, this dude. What's up, bro?
What's going on, yo?
Just chilling. Trying to make a video and shit.
I ain't from here. Where the hell is it?
Shit, ain't here. Boy, he was looking for hoes at the wrong place. Ain't nobody here. Ain't no hoes here, man. Shit. Committed over here. Your boy out here committed and shit. You know hoes going on out here. What the fuck? Meet Mac. Let's go. What's up, bro?
What's good with you, bro?
Shit, just chilling, bro. You know, trying to make the video and shit, you know?
What video?
Shit, for the YouTube, man.
Oh, you got a YouTube channel?
Yeah. I just barely started one.
Oh, where you from?
Shit, Arizona.
Oh, what you do on YouTube? You vlog or some shit?
I do vlogs and challenges and shit, but you know, everyone be posting videos and shit of this monkey app, so you know, try to get on there real quick.
Alright, bro, you gotta slide me a YouTube channel. I can support you.
Shit, I got you, bruh. Is that
Send me a bro.
that boy Xavier?
You said what?
That boy Xavier?
Oh, alright, bet, bro. I'm gonna look at it, bro.
For real, hey, I appreciate it. Hey, let me ask you a question real quick, bro.
Yeah.
Would you suck dick to save your mom's life?
Nigga, you wildin', bro.
Shit.
My mom gonna have to respect you.
So you ain't gonna do it?
Bro, my mom wouldn't allow me to do that, yo.
I feel you on that. I feel
Yeah,
you.
my mom not gonna allow me to do that, bro.
I don't think my mom would. Oh, damn, bro. I had that. Dre, he from Maryland. Let's go. Wakanda forever. Oh, shit. Damn, the boy out here just chilling, brushing his hair, man. That's... Shit. Meathead.
Why so serious? Now, our operation is small, but there's a lot of potential.
Get away from me.
What's up, little homie?
Hi.
What's up, little homie?
I'm Tekashi 6ix9ine.
That boy say Tekashi 6ix9ine. Crazy motherfucker. Damn. Lawrenceville.
Welcome to Hong Kong, Mr. Fox. Mr. Lau regrets he isn't able to greet you in person today.
I understand.
Damn, bruh.
For security purposes, I'm going to have to ask you to check in your mobile.
Of course.
Bruh, I know.
We must apologize for leaving Gotham in the middle of our negotiations. This misunderstanding with
Ah, bruh. Ain't
I couldn't let such a
been trying to be on this shit, bruh. Motherfucker.
stature will run.
Damn.
And with you here now, we can continue.
Tweaking. Oh, this boy. Hey, bruh.
I really came out to tell you that our business deal has to be put on.
You sound like shit.
We can't afford to be seen in business.
Meet Jin Woo.
Accused of being. I'm sure a businessman of your stature will understand.
I think, Mr. Fox, a simple phone call might have sufficed.
Mr. Wayne didn't want you to think that he was deliberately wasting your time.
Just accidentally wasting it.
It's very good, Mr. Lau.
Jay Black. What the fuck? Damn, big ass lips, boy.
I'm in the good.
Boy got some big old lips. What? Always trapping. Shit. What's up, bruh? Damn, bruh, look at you. My boy got money over here. That boy got big stacks. Shit. Shit, I feel you, bruh. Boy out here hustling for his motherfucking dollars. Hey, let me borrow all of that real quick.
God, bro.
Shit. I can't do that.